Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez.
Hello, people of the internet. Happy Sunday, at least it's Sunday here at Hope Farm. It is beautiful. We had that tropical weather cell come through and it has just left nothing but beautiful skies. It is very, very warm. And I just did this panel and I got no video. And the reason why is because I was using my phone to look at the picture of the other side of this door because I want this to mirror what's underneath here. So if you look at this, go like this. And then we go underneath. It should look pretty similar. It's not gonna be perfect, but oh yeah, like I can already see some, actually, maybe I can't. It looks good. It looks very, very close. So that's why you're not gonna get any video of me doing basically any of this because I'm using my phone and I only have one phone. But we're making progress.
There is some extreme grooming and bonding going on over here. Are you grooming and bonding, Boneses? Are those your babies? Even though they are not your babies? Boneses. Oh, that sweet boy. You sweet boy, Boneses. Oh, yeah. That's sweet. I don't think this is normal behavior. I need you to know these are two male cats. Now, Bones is neutered. Ted's not neutered yet. He's just now old enough. I don't think this happens a lot. But what do I know? I'm new to being a cat lady.
Oh boy, the electricians are here. Looks like we might be getting power. And we got HVAC here. There's our units, and they're all up on the porch and in the house. Getting ready to finish that up, so hopefully we'll have power and maybe HVAC ready to use soon.
So, this is paint the window frame green take 2 with the right paint and the right sheen. And it actually does look a lot better already. Can't see the mistakes as much, or the flaws in the wood, I should say. It was painted perfectly, so there was no mistakes made. So got that one done and got this one done. And we did go get the right gallon of paint this time, so that is very helpful when painting. Step 1, get the right paint. Hey, we have a request. We want to see your dance videos. If you guys are truly dancing to our fast forward music, look at this nose is really nice right now.
I'm dancing back here. What about your nose?
We would love to put you on our vlog dancing to our fast forward music. So get your cat, get your dog, get your loved one, and get up and dance like this chick and send it to us, and we'll put it in our vlog. It'll be so much fun. Thank you, and goodbye.
much better. Just the top.
The top. Like this.
Oh, I'm in the way.
Moving by Kevin and Austin. You want to get an angle like this. That's what you want.
Right.
And all of this, you want all of this really delicate glass
That's the top, right?
right here.
I have the top.
Yep.
Which is wet.
Go
Right?
Yep. But just on this side. Just on this side. So that side is perfectly fine.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Now what side is wet?
Oh wait, you've got it backward.
We do it backwards.
Yeah, then I'll figure out what to
And then
Ooh.
do. To come at an angle to get it in. And then pivot. He gets that reference at least.
I do get that.
Hallelujah.
All right.
Oh, she's so pretty.
That's how to manage it.
Try to push that front toward the porch.
Uh-oh.
Broken flogger that I've.
Flogger.
Yeah.
So the door's been bad,
Yes. So now
and
we
it
gotta
gets this treatment.
beat it back into submission.
That just kind of smooths out your lines a little bit.
No, it blurs them out actually.
Blurs
more.
them. Gotcha.
So it creates this kind of
I need
undertone.
something that blurs lines.
Boy, do I have the thing for you. And yeah, as you can see, we're.
Oh, blurs the line. It's just coming apart.
Yep, it's just coming apart. It seemed better. Yeah, it's been through it.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Dahl.
I'm Marla Toman. And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi. Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today, with an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes. Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Well, the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city
On the highest bluff,
on the mightiest river in America. If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
So I am now putting rollers back in these two windows that I have done in the dining room because I am so sick of sanding. And so this will give me something else to do. Now I've got to touch these up still a little bit, so that get the screw heads, touch those up with some rub and buff, but they will be looking gorgeous and ready for some ropes real soon. So here is the result of Entergy's visit today. We've got this pole that is wired back to this pole. And so from here, we will go down to the ground, and then we're gonna trench over to the house where our meter and everything accepting the power will go between those two windows there. And we can finally get rid of this temporary pole, and we will be more permanent. That feels like something. Let's go.
Release the hound.
Release the hounds. There's Jack. Look who it is. We have a third. Beans is. Beans, do you know what to do out here? Hey, Beans. Tell everybody how famous you are.
Daddy, they know I'm famous.
World famous.
Everybody knows I'm
That's not my
famous.
good side.
We told everybody how famous I am, Daddy.
I'm super famous.
There was a whole vlog about my fame.
Too big to pick it up for me, Daddy.
Pick it up. It's too big. But I chase it down. I chase it down.
Oh, no.
It's still down. Drop it. Drop it. Wanna dance?
Let's hug, Daddy. Let's hug instead.
Wanna dance? Play fast forward music.
Yeah.
no. Oh no.
You can bring it to Mama? Thank you, buddy. Thank you.